Good morning, everyone. Let's wake and bake my way. So you're just gonna need about a spoonful, and you just put it on your face, anywhere you want. Okay. I put it everywhere. I put it all over. You can see it's the green. It's all over. It's a lot. I'm gonna be really high. Okay, so then you're just gonna rub it in. Okay. Just gonna rub it in. And I like to do a little gua sha when I do this. You know, so go like this. My face is a little bit puffy because I just woke up right now. So we're gonna get their face to be less puffy. If you look, see right there, cheekbones, and your jaw. I'm gonna bring that down. Gonna get it all absorbed. And there we go. So this is morning fresh face. I just washed it, just brushed my teeth, and you just put it on in the morning. And so I don't wear foundation anymore, but I do eyebrows and I do my lashes and my eyeliner. So let's get it. Okay, now let's get some coffee. If this is your vibe. So good morning. Let's have a great day. I love you so much.